O ajụjụ ncheju. Eno katagoju onwe gị. Kedu ife kalụ gentle de Yahoo obi o ji abụ oge ọbụla o mee vidio sị na ya ga-egbu the executive governor of Anambra State?
Soludo, you are dead already. I just want to tell you that you are dead already. Gentle is telling you this.
Ihe na-enye the morale if put things like that. Am I the reason? Or because Gentle de Yahoo be in Anambra State. Oba, to be precise. Gentle's wife and Gentle's family, including brothers, be in a place now. Our team take our time to investigate Gentle for 6 months, and they finally apprehended, including Gentle's wife and others. This question I got to Nde Udogachi, Ke Emakai. Ono Gentle nwe n'Oba. Kelifonu neme about it. Oba na put to, but the house is still there. Alright, the buyer can na fambo Ikenga Uruegu. O ajụjụ ncheju. Eno katagoju onwe gị. Kedu ife kalụ Gentle de Yahoo obi o ji abụ oge ọbụla o mee vidio sị na ya ga-egbu the executive governor of Anambra State?
Soludo, you are dead already. I just want to tell you that you are dead already. Gentle is telling you this. I don't have much to tell you. Galiru wailegi, because we are coming.
Kedu ihe na-enye the morale if put things like that? Now, before we go further, as a citizen of Anambra State, all my job to do everything humanly possible to protect Anambra State and Igbo in general, seriously and jealously. Insecurity in Igbo can be defeated if we can work collectively, because the job of security are the only limited to soldiers and police, or for all of us. Upon nature can defeat insecurity in Igbo land. All of us must come together to say no to insecurity, and that's the only way we can win. Now, back to my question. Asking, Ijuko wega juju, kelife kalo Gentle de Yahoo obi, oji abu ogo boda, o me video, na agba Soludo, ni age iwu Soludo, ni age menka. Am I the reason? Am I the reason? Or because Gentle de Yahoo be in Anambra State. It is shock. Gentle de Yahoo nwelono na Anambra State. Gentle de Yahoo neme business na Anambra State. And I'm going to give you evidence one after the other, including the paperwork of property Gentle de Yahoo go na Anambra State. Oba, to be precise. Some people bunda Anambra State, the guarantor and other people, Onoma, onye Gentle de Yahoo, and yet a guarantee Gentle if they are going on Anambra State. Before the end of this video, I will show you the paperwork of Gentle's property. I will show you Gentle's wife picture. I will show you Gentle's lawyer, and I will show you their address. Now, my second question, Bo. When almost all of us man na trailer nesi from north ebute gari all these foodstuffs. Now, Bo, how you tell Okiwe a hijack the car, both the drivers. On a jugo moon, those foodstuffs kelebo nature and the trailers kelebo nature. Because some of you may say, oh, now how they lead in mafia. I get later almost 10, 20 trailers of foodstuff. I mean rice, beans, onions, cucumber, oh no, a lot of things. I get later and tell mafia. Just like that. Oh, well, and the Mebonaga, Onaga to Anambra State, Onaga to Gentle's wife, because Gentle's wife and Gentle's family, including brothers, been a place Nawada on one particular 4-story building. And how do I know all this? Our Team Spider, take our time to investigate Gentle for 6 months. 6 good months. And they finally apprehended, including Gentle's wife and others. Now, Gentle Nona, Anambra State, they threatened the peace of Anambra State and even the executive governor of Anambra State. Now, the question, Bob, this question I got to Nde Udogachi, Ke Emakai. Ono Gentle Noba, Kelifonu Nene about it. Obama put to but the house is still there. On our border go to consult us. Edwai, where is this house? On our border go, it contact the Team Spider to ask, where is Gentle? Actually, the Gentle long time. It wasn't many. Or there is support. People named Gentle. Let me shock you. A man Gentle were property both in Imo State and Anambra State that worth almost $1 billion naira. That worth more than 1 billion. And the question, Bob, what is the government doing about it? A man no kidwe na a community well on 50 plots of land near Gentle. I will show you the evidence. But before I show you the evidence, can go Potagonugi? If they are with send the Gentle de Yahoo. If Abu, their letter of appreciation to Gentle de Yahoo. Get what? Our amiable distinguished leaders of ESN, Papa Upu Okibwe, we thank you for the almighty work you have done for us by liberating us from the hands of our enemies and made them disappear from our land. You have done a marvelous work for us, which no indigene can forget in this generation. As a matter of fact, we, the entire indigene of Umukele, Umulolo, Kiwe, home and abroad, are hereby giving you 50 plots of land for the marvelous work you have done for us. To show appreciation, please have this from us. May Chukwoki Biama bless Gentle according to them, and they keep Gentle for them. They said, Amen. Now, here are the people that signed this very 50 plots of land they gave to Gentle. Number 1, Pius, who is their chairman. Then Friday, the ex-chairman signed. Kenneth, who is their secretary, also signed. Then Chukwudiagu also signed. Joseph signed. Simon Elechi signed. Sunday Nwaimo signed. Ordinaka Obioha signed. Then Sunday Igwe also signed. Chibuzo Obiji also signed. 50 plots of land. Kewelo Nyebe Gentle de Yahoo. A criminal, a terrorist, get decorated with 50 plots of land. Now, kita never abo munye gentle. Onya le push trailer of food stocks. And even cars ahajake no kiwe nyama na ele na Anambra State. Munye gentle if. Ose na afiabo atalugo. Na eno nyeba atalugo. The next person who na for bo lawyer gentle. Oma onye gentle. Oma ife gentle nene. Yet onye anu abo lawyer gentle. Then the next thing ono na for bo the paper ono gentle. Good. Anambra State. Oba to be precise. And the house can be there. And to top it all, a gentleman, one of the biggest transportation business in Anambra. A deal second-hand shuttle bus and the keke awaria. If what they use were brand new, a lot of them. Abawabacha, Ebuyeje Pakia, no gentle robber. Every night, gentle na batoba, warm water. Man, the people in charge have become one or two colleagues that spend their time 6 months investigating these people. Onwege anything happen. Gentle can Anambra State. Gentle Yahoo can Anambra State. And I will not say more than this. Our if we must defeat insecurity, it have to be all of us. Not only military approach, not only police approach. All of us have to come together. Every citizen, everybody, everyone must be policed. That's the only way we can stop insecurity. The job of security is not limited to only the army and the police. If the citizens are not involved, we will continue to cry and we will cry forever. And as the citizens get involved, let those in authority be ready to reward them. That's how to do it everywhere in the world. If I 6 months investigating and arresting, by the end of the day, what happened? Oh my, just shorty and gentle. Oh my, gentle. Now throw away, even with the governor of Anambra State, yet, man Kobe, less gentle and an Anambra State. Ona koja abu governor, eno kajentu neku, ona omafa, Ikenga Uruegu, because no, I'm not poverty in Anambra State. Oba, where turn Oba to a safe ground for criminals. If some people join them. But you know what? I will leave it for Ikenga Uruegu and then the Operation Udogachi. Let's see what they will do. But just know it. Nife can't to obi. Nife ni know what they will do. But because no close. And no na be feeling near the morale. Now you move the governor of Anambra State. Now, if I go the 50 plots of land, Mado Maple out near a criminal. I will leave it for now, but I want more information, more exposition with pure evidence. My name is Ikenga Uruegu. All the good for now.